Okay, let me. Ooh! I'm sorry for that, you guys. So, hello, you beautiful people. Welcome back to this challenge of the day. Is today's challenge draw a dotted line. Let's see. Control F. Pen control. Hmm. Pull the pen up. No drawing when moving. We have a pen size as well. Okay, I will try first of all pen size. Okay, so we have here the, if I say for instance 19, this will draw a square. Okay, let's say forward and let's say left. Now, if I say here, pen size, I will say, let's check. I will place a 5, let's say. Line 13. Let's turn off the for loop. Hmm. I wonder why is this not activated? Ah, so of course it turns to the left, but we have no forward movement. That is why. Great. Now, let's go to a 3.3. I like it. Now, let's try pen up. Okay, I see, I see. Let's place an integer. Pen up takes one positional arguments, two were given. Let's see. Pen up. Okay. Oh, wait. Or no, let's make a for loop. For all right, so I need this thing. So if this goes 4 times, that's it. I have 4 dashes with 4 equal spaces. Let's make them 25. And let's make them 25. When it's here, I will also say left to 90. After that, I will say for here, repeat this thing. Actually, let me see. All right, so it moves forward. It will lift up. It moves forward. No, it will draw, lift, move, down, left. Okay, now if I want to place 2 this thing, I have to repeat it again. Hand down, draw forward. After that, I want to turn left. At 90 degrees and repeat this. Let's see. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. This is perfect. So the dash line is really easy. You just leave this alone and you just press here now. Yeah, we have the first one. Let's see. It moves 25. After that, it span up for 25. Forward 25. So 1, 2, 3, and these 2 are halves that make one full line. Because we have it here and here. Okay. If I say here 50 and here, no, if I say here 25, it will be, this one will be longer. Yeah, longer than this one. This is basically half of this. And this is half of this. Yeah, this will be equal. So that's how you draw. This is how you draw a dotted line. Challenge 2 is complete. It's so fun to play with these. Great. Today's challenge, draw a dotted line using turtle. Job done. by using these attributes, forward, pan up, forward, pan down, we achieved our goal for today. So you guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next challenge. Each challenge will be harder and harder. So until tomorrow, you guys, I hope you have a great day and take care. Bye.